Welcome to Androbar Tech Support. Today we're going to show you how to install a pouring spout into a liquor bottle and how we secure it to the bottle. So let's start. First, we have our Androbar RFID programmable spouts, as you can see here. We are also going to need heat shrink. Heat shrink are basically what they look like. They basically fit over the spout and the bottle, and with a heat gun, we're going to secure the heat shrink to the bottle. So this is our bottle. How do you insert a spout into a bottle? You hold the bottle at the bottom, insert the spout into the neck, push down securely all the way down. It's very important that the spout does not come off easy. If it comes off easy and therefore the neck of the bottle is too large, we have available different size, what we call corks or inserts that will accommodate any bottle size. So this is a small or regular, as we call it, which comes with every spout. We have a large, which is for bottles that are slightly larger. And then we also have what we call extra large, which you will need if you have bottles like Patron. So let's see how we secure the spout to the bottle. We take our heat shrink, comes in a roll like this. You make sure you pull out one heat shrink, not two together or three together. You only need one. Secure the seal over the spout like this. Get a heat gun. Any paint removal heat gun, even a blow dryer will do. Hold the heat shrink down with your fingers. You don't need a high temperature. And you start to heat shrink from the top. And once the top is done, you can then do the rest. As simple as it is. Continuously turn the bottle, and there you go. Now you have a bottle with a spout secured to it with the heat shrink. Turn it over. As you can see, nothing is leaking, nothing is pouring. And that's how we put a spout onto a bottle. Simple as that.